The ajDBDeleteRecord function deletes records in a database table, satisfying the criteria specified in data and filter condition. Please note the key columns shall be included in the data or filter condition. To run this function in Excel, you would need to set up the data source connection in the External Resources worksheet. Please refer to AJ documentation website on how to set up the data source connection. We will take the table TB_customer as an example. Customer name is the primary key of this table, and I have copied the column name and values into Excel. Now we will try to delete the record by specifying the value of the key column. Select any cell and type equal. Then ajDB. A list of AJ database functions will be shown. Select ajDBDeleteRecord. Then open the parameter window by clicking here. The first parameter is the table name. We input TB_customer. The second parameter is column headers. We shall input the header range A1 for this case. It supports both single and multiple cell ranges. We are using the exact column name here. We could use custom data names if they are provided in the DB schema worksheet. The next parameter is the data. It is a range as well. Let's input A2 to A3 to delete the first two records. Set the last parameter run by function point only to false, so that the function will be executed immediately. This is for the training video purpose only. In most cases, this parameter should be omitted or be true to avoid the function to be executed whenever Excel calculates the workbook. Excel will evaluate the formula after input the parameters. The result 2 means 2 records have been deleted from the table TB_customer. The number of affected records is returned, since the records have been removed when Excel evaluates the formula when using the parameter window. No records were deleted when executing the formula again. So, 0 is returned as the result. Let's check out the result in the database. The first 2 records have been deleted. Now, let's try a different filter condition. Let's open the parameter window again. Clean the column headers and data first. Then set the filter type to 0, which means we shall input the filtering condition using the SQL where clause syntax. In the filter condition, we set the condition to customer name start with M. The result 2 is returned. For how to use filter conditions 1 and 2, please refer to AJ documentation website filter condition snippet for more details. Let's check out the result in the database. The records of customer Lee and Mary So have been removed. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to use AlchemyJ.